All right, in this video, we're looking at simplified rational expressions. And so a rational expression is the quotient of two polynomials. So you'll have a numerator and a denominator that could have x's in both the top and the bottom, or just one or the other. And then the denominator cannot equal 0, so we'll get to that in a couple minutes. But if I'm going to simplify rational expressions, the first thing I need to do is factor the numerator and denominator. Now, you're not always going to be able to factor them, but you're going to try to factor them if possible. And then to simplify, you will cross out any common factors from the top and bottom. And whatever's left is your answer. So the first example there on the right, 2x times x minus 4 over x minus 5 times x minus 4. This is just an example where the factoring has already been done for us. So in this one, they've already factored the top, they've already factored the bottom, and we would just need to cross out that common factor of x minus 4, and we'd be left with 2x over x minus 5 as the final answer. Okay. Let's look at a couple more examples. So on the next slide, you see, I'm going to write down two of them. 2x plus 4 over 3x plus 6. And then beside that, I see x squared minus 3x over x squared minus 2x minus 3. All right, let's do the one that's on the left first. So again, you usually have to factor yourselves. So I will factor the top, which can only factor by GCF, and factor the bottom, which also factors by GCF this time, and cross out the common factor. So I'm left with 2/3 as my final simplified answer. And then the example on the right, the top factors by GCF. There's a GCF of x, and I'm left with x minus 3. On the bottom, I can factor x minus 3 times x plus 1. The x minus 3's cancel, and I'm left with x over x plus 1.